An asbestos lawyer is a legal professional who specializes in handling lawsuits related to asbestos exposure and the resulting health complications. Asbestos is a highly toxic mineral that was commonly used in various industries, such as construction, manufacturing, and shipbuilding, until the late 20th century. While its use has significantly declined due to its link to serious health conditions, including lung cancer, mesothelioma, and asbestosis, many individuals are still at risk of asbestos-related diseases as a result of past exposure. An asbestos lawyer plays a crucial role in helping victims of asbestos-related illnesses seek compensation for their injuries. They are well versed in asbestos laws and regulations, as well as the complex medical and scientific evidence surrounding asbestos exposure. These lawyers are equipped to investigate the source of asbestos exposure, gather relevant documents and evidence, and build a strong case on behalf of their clients. In addition to filing lawsuits against asbestos manufacturers, suppliers, and employers, asbestos lawyers also assist clients in filing claims with asbestos trust funds. These trust funds were established by bankrupt asbestos companies to compensate victims who were exposed to their products. An experienced asbestos lawyer can guide victims through the complicated process of filing a claim and maximize their chances of receiving fair compensation. The role of an asbestos lawyer is not limited to legal representation alone. These lawyers often work closely with medical professionals, expert witnesses, and support networks to ensure their clients receive appropriate medical care and emotional support. They understand the physical, emotional, and financial toll that asbestos-related illnesses can take on victims and their families, and they strive to provide compassionate and comprehensive legal assistance throughout the legal proceedings. In conclusion, an asbestos lawyer is a specialized legal professional who is dedicated to protecting the rights of individuals who have been harmed by asbestos exposure. Their expertise in asbestos laws, scientific evidence, and litigation strategies is instrumental in pursuing justice and fair compensation for victims of asbestos-related illnesses. If you or a loved one has suffered due to asbestos exposure, consulting with an experienced asbestos lawyer can help you navigate the legal complexities and ensure your rights are fully protected. Certainly. Here is some additional information about asbestos lawyers. 1. Case evaluation. Asbestos lawyers often offer free initial consultations to evaluate the viability of a case. During this evaluation, they will assess the details of your asbestos exposure, medical diagnosis, and potential sources of compensation. 2. Experience. Asbestos lawyers typically have extensive experience specifically in handling asbestos-related cases. They understand the complexities involved, including different asbestos products, exposure scenarios, and legal deadlines. This specialized knowledge gives them an advantage when negotiating settlements or presenting cases in court. 3. Legal strategy. Asbestos lawyers develop tailored legal strategies based on the unique circumstances of each case. They will determine the most appropriate legal theories to pursue, such as negligence, strict liability, or breach of warranty, depending on the circumstances. They may also identify other potentially liable parties, such as contractors, subcontractors, or premises owners. 4. Compensation recovery. The primary goal of an asbestos lawyer is to secure financial compensation for their clients. This compensation may cover medical expenses, lost wages, pain and suffering, and other damages associated with asbestos-related illnesses. Lawyers will advocate for the maximum compensation possible, either through settlement negotiations or by taking the case to trial. 5. Knowledge of trust funds. As mentioned earlier, asbestos trust funds have been established to compensate victims of asbestos exposure. These funds can be complex to navigate, and an experienced asbestos lawyer can help victims understand their rights, file claims accurately, and maximize their recovery from these trust funds. 6. Resources and support. Asbestos lawyers often have access to a network of experts, including medical professionals specializing in asbestos-related diseases. They can connect clients with top healthcare providers and ensure accurate documentation of their medical condition, which is crucial for building a strong case. 7. Statute of limitations. Each jurisdiction has a specific time frame known as the statute of limitations within which a legal claim must be filed. Asbestos lawyers are well versed in these deadlines and will ensure that your case is filed in a timely manner to preserve your rights to compensation. Remember, if you or a loved one has been exposed to asbestos and suffered health complications as a result, consulting with an experienced asbestos lawyer is essential.